It's time to start your positive visualization. Find somewhere comfortable and focus on my voice. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, or keep them open. It's your choice. It's the day of your Viva. You have had a great night's sleep and you're on your way to uni. You arrive in good time and you make your way to Oaklands. You are feeling calm, positive, confident and relaxed. You make your way to the room and you are greeted by your tutor. Your tutor smiles at you as they want you to succeed as much as you do. You walk into the room, still feeling calm, confident and relaxed. The interview seems to fly by. You're answering all the questions with ease. You come out of the interview feeling calm, confident and relaxed. A sense of achievement washes through your whole body. You've got this.